Welcome to CJ Wild Money Entertainment. And you can tell today I am cooking. And my baby's so happy I'm cooking. She happy. She figured I'm going to make her something. So, stay tuned. We are making Christmas crack candy. See how many times you can say that? 3-4 times. See how many times you can say that? 3-4 times. Okay, see you soon. We'll be back. Okay, this is the ingredients that you need for the Christmas crack candy. You're going to need 1 sleeve of crackers, 2 sticks of margarine, 1 cup of brown sugar, 12 ounces of chocolate chip. Those who don't know knows I like white chocolate chip. But you can have white chocolate chip, Heath, coffee, butterscotch, chocolate. I just prefer the white chocolate. And over here is my nuts. This is the nutrition nuts. Get this a little closer. And this has a variety of nuts in it. Now, you can use toffee, Heath, and any type of flavored nuts that you want in. I'm going to try to make this as healthy as possible. So, get you some parchment paper, line a cookie sheet, and spray that parchment paper. Make sure you spray it down pretty good. There you go. Let that soak in for a little bit. I used butter flavor. Then I'm going to line my crackers up. Side by side. Okay, now once your crackers is all lined up, touching each other, you're going to set this aside. And what you're going to do is combine 1 cup of brown sugar and your 2 sticks of margarine in a saucepan. And what you're going to do then is boil it for 2 minutes. And once it starts to boil, do not stir. Okay, make sure it boils for 2 minutes and do not stir. All right, now I'm going to take this sugar toffee that I made and I'm going to make sure I spread it on every cracker. All through them all. Now this is probably the most sloppiest part that you can make a mess with. So that's why I got the ladle, so it wouldn't be so sloppy. In the oven, 5 minutes. We'll be back. This is all bubbly. It's been in for 5 minutes. I'm going to take my chocolate. Now, of course, you can do it the easier way and get ahead, or the harder way for me is to get ahead and melt your chocolate. But I'm lazy, so I'm just going to sprinkle my chocolate all on here, the whole bag. And I am just going to press it around, get ahead, and have this melt on top. Okay, these are my nuts that I put in a food processor and grind them up for the topping. Now I got the chocolate on. I'm going to get ahead and sprinkle some nuts on. And you got to do this pretty good if you're not going to melt the chocolate, because this is hot and the chocolate will start to melt. So I'm moving really fast. Sprinkle my nuts on there. Look how that's starting to look. And then I'm going to stick this back in the oven. And the nuts and or whatever toppings you use, I didn't give exactly how much because it's about the individual. So if you want more nuts to be healthier, then you add more nuts, like I am. If you want candy, then you can add your Heath or your candy bits. If you want multiple chocolates, you can add it. Look how that pretty that's coming out. Okay? And now we're going to stick this back in the oven until this is all melted. We're going to stick that in the oven for about 3 to 5 minutes. Oh, look how yummy, yummy. And to make sure it's hardened, I put mine in the refrigerator for 2 hours just so it can get hard. I want it to get as hard as possible. Now, some people put it in the freezer for 20 minutes. I don't like that because sometimes it may get soggy. So, but remember, store this in an airtight container. And we'll be back when we get ready to crack it up. Okay, I'm about to crack it up. It's only been in for 1 hour. So I'm going to crack it and then put it back in for an hour. But we're cracking it. We're cracking it. And you see how it didn't stick to that parchment paper at all. People, this sounds sweet, but this is not very sweet because I did not put a lot of candy. I put a lot of nuts. So the only chocolate is that white chocolate, and that's it. But if it's a little chewy like this, just put it right back in the refrigerator because it's supposed to crack where you go like this and it just chips off. Yeah, yummy, yummy. Christmas crack.